Are you ready for your little piece of paradise? Wait no longer, because here it is. This home is well cared for, filled with natural light, and has a great floor plan. Add to this a pool, spa and waterfall, and large lanai surrounded by a flowering landscape and private backyard. Please do not miss out on this wonderful opportunity to make this home yours. Check out some of the extra touches that make this home special: pull-outs in the kitchen, new ceiling fans and fixtures, new stainless steel appliances, workspace in the garage, outdoor kitchen complete with bar, fridge and gas grill and counter space. And the closeet space, there's lots. Call today before your paradise belongs to someone else.